I'll make this video a little longer. It's kind of out of my comfort zone, I guess, but this little motor is pretty respectable. All it is a Vortex roller motor. It's got 062 Vortex that I did some minor port work on, did a really nice valve job. Sent the OEM cam off to be reground. It's got a pretty nice profile on it. I think it's 540 lip straight across. Just your basic deal, you know what I mean? This project started quite some time ago. I think it's probably approaching 10 years ago, like all these headers. Hopefully you can hear me, but all these headers were cut up, and this is an earth bar. It's a nice 3-inch bend, and some flow masters. But I have like several makes of headers. I had the block on there, bolted the flange on, and then I married several makes. Small block Ford, big block Ford, small and big block Chrysler, obviously small block Chevy, which is on there, and as well as a big block Chevy. They all have EGTs in them in each tube. That's what these gauges are back here. So yeah, I mean, granted, I don't use a lot of that stuff. You know, when you do this stuff for so long, you just kind of know some certain specifics. But it is nice to have the on. This is a fast air fuel ratio gauge, and it's a dual channel. I find that a dual channel is more of a hassle. It tries to read so much data at the same time. It's kind of irrelevant because, you know, you don't know what the guy's application is. I mean, he can tell you, but you can get it close, but it seems to be a little simpler as far as user-friendly is concerned, just using single channel. So, yeah, like I said, this highly doubtful that you can hear me. Hopefully you can. I will review it as such, and then we'll see. Thank you.